to be making, affiliated. Feel the pressure, litigated. No time for faking, concentrated. I know my measure.
Alright, there's fish smacking everywhere, y'all. Oh, a fish just hit it. Fish just hit it. He missed it. He missed it. There he is. Oh, he missed it. Oh. Came off. Oh, he hit it. He smacked it. There's bass everywhere out here right now. There he is. There he is. There he is. Got a white bass. Got a white bass. White bass, y'all. Little tiny white bass. Just walking the dog. Oh, there's one. Big old carp. There he is. There he is. There he is. White bass number 2. Walking the spook, y'all. How cool was that on the top water? Oh my God. That was so cool. He's a squirmler. Don't. Come on now. White bass number 2. White bass number 2. Well, I was walking the dog fast on that. Did y'all see that? Thank you. There he is. There he is. Oh, it's a nice fish. It's a nice fish. It's a nice bass. Get in the boat. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Hold on, dude. Hold on, bro. Got it. Alright, y'all. Look at that. Nice bass, man. Probably almost 2-pounder right there. Nice fish. Caught him on the jerk bait. Nice fish on the jerk bait. Gotta get that. It smells good. Alright, let's let him go. Alright, we caught that last fish on the jerk bait right here. It's a H2O brand from Academy. I think it's like a 5-6 foot diver. Nice fish. Looks like we lost the eye on that one. It'll still work though. I'm gonna have to go get another pair of pliers. I forgot I lost my pliers. There he is. There he is. Oh, this is a nice fish. This is a nice fish. Oh, this is a nice fish. Oh, he's foul hooked. He's foul hooked. It's a big old white bass. It's a big old white bass. I thought he was foul hooked at first, but dude, it's just a donkey white bass. Holy crap. Holy crap, this is a big white bass. Look at that white bass. It's a donkey, bro. Another one on the jerk bait. Man, it's a good day so far. That's a donk. That thing's fat, man. That thing is fat. We're gonna let the white bass go right here. Oh. All right, let's get us another one. There he is. All right, let's let him go. he is. There he is. There he is. On the ultralight, baby. Nice largie. Largie number 2, y'all. Largie number 2. Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh, 1.5 pounder. 1.5 pounder. All right, let's get a release on him. I caught him on the chartreuse jerkbait. I just switched over to my medium light luge rod, and it's got a 200 series Speedsful luge reel on it. And my first catch on that rod, and it's actually really fun, man. It gives a good fight. It's fun. Y'all catch anything? Yeah? I caught 2 largies and about 6 sand bass so far.
Not getting a full-size boat. Too much work.
Where are you gonna put it?
I'll leave it at my apartment. I mean, it's gonna be about the same size.
There he is.
Oh, there we go.
Little small sandy.
They're still fun to catch.
Yeah, I know. I've already caught a bunch of them today. Dude, I lost my pliers.
Dude, I got a brand new set right here.
I've been having to pull these out with fucking scissors.
Dude, I got
Another little sandy on the catch. Say what up to J-Dog right here.
What up?
Say what Little he is. His eyes probably be gone after this. Here we go. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, on the light setup. Oh, come on, baby. Oh yeah. Come on. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at, baby? Oh, big old white bass. Big old white bass. Look at that big old sucker. Oh my God. Dude, that's a donkey, bro. That is a donkey white bass. Look at that donkey white bass. That's what I'm talking about. Try to troll around and get some more. Dude, catching fish on this light setup is so much fun. There he is. White bass. Another white bass, y'all. Another one for the day. Snagging them all day. Snagging them all day today. There he is. There he is. It's a nicer one. Oh, it's a bass. Oh, it's a nice bass. Man, back to back.
I'm here.
This is my spot. I love this spot. It's a nice bass right there. A 1 pounder. A 1 pounder. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's let him go. I'll take that. Just got here and 2 back to back. Waters went down a lot, huh?
Yeah, 3 feet or so.
Yeah.
The marina was flooded 3 weeks ago.
Yeah. I remember coming out here a couple weeks ago and it was all the way up to those trees up there. think at one time, didn't they say it was 13 feet over?
Yeah.
I've seen it higher though.
Oh yeah, I've seen it over the spillway.
Yeah, over the spill, yeah.
That's pretty high there.
There he is. There he is. Oh, he came off. Fuck. God damn it. Fuck. I just missed one. I just missed one. That was a good fish.